We'd like to show a new series called Plywood, and it consists out of 5 different colors. And we will highlight these colors. One is called doppio, and it has a really nice 3D effect. If you look close into the tile, it looks like it has some depth, like these wooden pressed stripes together. But in reality, it's a complete flat tile. It's a R10 anti-slip surface for shoes, a B for bare feet, and it comes in the size 60 by 120 centimeters to use as decoration with many different possibilities in combinations with wall and floor tiles of the Serie RAKO. Another very nice color is this charcoal black wood color. We cut this up in 20 by 120 centimeters to use as planks, but it can also be used as a 20 by 120 decorating wall or floor tile. Very nice to make a small part in a bathroom, for example the shower corner, with that color and go into a lighter atmosphere with other material like our wall tiles. And here you'll find some of the other colors of this series. So we have it in a very beautiful light gray pattern called latte. Then we have a bit of reddish brown color we call honey, and in a very ivory-like light beige color called straw. And this is a very new, different kind of wood series of what we traditionally bring. We have other wood series, but this is a nice other possibility. It has no reflection of light, so it's a very, very matte, almost rough surface. And that's the Serie Plywood.